So we're out here fishing today, and the only reason we're out fishing today is Thursday. We should have had school today, but we didn't because there's a hurricane coming. You can kind of see some clouds and mess. There's a hurricane coming. It's supposedly a Category 3. Shouldn't affect us here around the middle of North Carolina too bad, but we didn't have school today because they're afraid that, you know, power's gonna go out, trees gonna come down, all that mess. So we're out here fishing at a little neighborhood pond, Leo's neighborhood pond actually, and we're just gonna see if we can capitalize on that pre-storm bite that supposedly exists. I'm out here fishing with the rattiest swim bait you've ever seen. I'm getting ready to take this one off and put another one on, but it's the last little shad I had. So we're gonna fish this one until it rips apart, which you can see it already has done. I've got it rigged up with I believe a 1/4 ounce squadron jig head.
I also got a little beetle spit on here. Nice little white grub on it. That's it.
So far, he told me he caught 2 little panfish and a little bass in the time it took me to get here, which was like 5 minutes, 10 minutes. So hopefully we'll have some good stuff and not get killed by a hurricane.
Yeah, look at that. It's
Little
at least
baby
a
one?
10-pounder.
It's a good one. Here, watch. You gotta hold it out here.
Yeah, you gotta get a camera angle.
What the heck? Bryce is here. Where did Bryce come from? He must have been at the Y.
No, he must have just drove over here.
There's no way. Hold on.
That's so legendary.
Dude, okay. Me and Leo were texting back in the group chat, and we said we were gonna fish here, and Bryce said nothing the whole time about coming or anything. He was just silent. And now I look over and there's just a guy in a blue shirt fishing. I'm like, oh, who's that? And sure enough, what are you doing? Dude, what are you doing here? How's what? Leo's caught a whole bunch of little panfish. I just got here and look how crappy the shad's looking. The hook's coming out the side. I'm gonna go switch to something else. Yeah. Were you at the Y or something?
Yeah, I was just over at the Y.
You at the Y?
I saw your text and I was like, yeah, all right, I'll slide on over. That's a big old bluegill though.
So Leo, I was over there getting my baits or my lures, and Leo caught another bluegill. It's actually a pretty nice size.
Actually, pretty good size.
Honestly, I mean, for this pond, that's a pretty good bluegill. So I just made a bait change from my trusty swim bait. That little Strike King shad was too ratty, and it was swimming weird, and I just felt like I needed something different. So I switched to the spinner bait right here. It's got that blue and kind of a clearish, sparkly skirt. It's actually got little weed guards on it to prevent it from getting hung as easily. We'll see if that works. And it's got the Colorado style spinner blade. It's only got one. Normally the spinners I fish with have 2. And this is an old lure. This is one of my dad's lures from, you know, 20, 30 years ago. So we'll see if it still holds up and catches fish like it did back then. Well, we've double hooked up. Bryce has got a little bass, it looks like. Leo's got a little bluegill.
Yep.
It's a pretty bluegill too.
Yeah, they're nice in here.
It's got some good coloring to him. The black spot's real visible.
Oh, flapping at me, dude. Little buddy here.
So this is he's a little bass. Nice one. Alright, let's go release him.
Yeah.
He's been out of water a good while.
Trying to swallow it.
Bro, did you see that over on his roots? Over that
Got
tree. You got it?
Got something. Oh, it's a little bit.
Is that a blue? That
Not a bluegill.
might be a red-breasted sunfish. Yeah. I think it is.
It's a sunfish. Never mind. You're right, it's a sunfish. I thought I almost was just catching bluegill here.
Hold on.
There you go.
Okay. So Leo just pulled another one in off that white beetle spin.
I mean, like, pretty good sized fish, actually.
Yeah, that's a nice little bluegill.
They're pretty fat. They're pretty solid little things, actually.
Ooh. Oh, that was it. That was...
Oh boy. Look at him, he's fighting. Little sunfish.
He's pretty. With that bright orange belly.
Yeah.
And there's a good hook too, right through the lip.
Don't do it to me. Don't. Stop it. Stupid little fish. He keeps closing his mouth on me. He just wants to chomp. Stop. He's literally biting. He's biting my finger. I cannot open it up without him. Okay. There you go.
Well,
I literally brought him down here. He just flapped.
he just went crazy as soon as he hit the water. Leo just caught another little bluegill.
Another little bluegill.
Puts you up at what, 10 today? 10
Yeah.
fish?
10 fish today. That's a beauty.
I think it's another sunfish.
Yeah, it's definitely a sunfish. Look at his belly. Once Leo takes his hand off, man, look at that belly.
Yeah, that's
Look at that. That's a
It's a really pretty. I mean, the color on that is cool.
Wow.
That's pretty.
There you go. You saw him.
Don't.
That's a bass, Bryce. There you go.
That. Whoa! Careful there, you slick little devil.
Oh.
It's a nice little bass. That'll be easy to take right out. Thank you. Come again. I could probably cast under it, not gonna lie. Well, not probably, I know. Bryce swears up and down he just caught, or almost caught another turtle.
I saw the turtle. I saw its back. Oh my god.
We don't need 2 turtles in 2
Aaron, can you do me a
videos.
favor? No. I can probably balance. Oh no. Why does your rod feel like it's not gonna... Why does it hold down the gazebo like it's falling over? He's about to fall in. This thing is not sturdy, Aaron.
No, it isn't. I'm finding that out the hard way.
Oh, it's gonna snap.
Don't snap it.
Oh, there's no...
Okay,
Free
this
lure.
is how you get kicked out.
Let's see
I'm
it.
actually shook. So there's Bryce's jig head and spinner. And something just swirled over there, probably the turtle coming to investigate. I'm gonna see if I can get it out, but I don't know.
I know, I'm walking away.
Yeah, Aaron, honestly.
He's got it. Don't do that anymore.
Ladies and gentlemen, we got him.
Phew. Wouldn't be the first time I've climbed somewhere stupid for a bait, but
You see any
Or
other
a
baits
catfish.
down there?
I think I actually did see a cork on the side.
Ah, it ain't worth it for a cork.
I'm gonna see those. There's definitely a bobber down there.
Oh yeah, there she blows.
Should I
Not for a bobber. We need 100 just to get $10.
Yeah, it's true. Oh, that was the side of my head, dog.
Jesus.
Oh,
Oh
damn, bro.
dude, look what he did to my hook. He destroyed my hook.
Leo just destroyed the side of my head. Did you hear that whacking noise? That was that damn jig head. Ow. Daggone, that
I
hurt.
to walk across me.
Well, you don't have to cast like this.
Hey,
Dude, we gotta
get
get
that
that fish. That was a decent sized fish. It just
Dang.
destroyed my hook.
Dang. Yeah, dude, it felt like I got shot.
Alright, hey, we can leave once we catch this fish. We're not leaving until we get him.
That's gonna be it for today. It's picking up raining. We kind of gotta go. Getting hungry. Leo caught a bunch of little panfish. Bryce caught one or two. Missed one or two. Something about his hook messed up. I don't know. I didn't catch anything. I had a couple bites, but I didn't really expect to catch anything, just because of the nature of the tackle I'm using. I was using a lot of bigger stuff. I tried mainly this spinner, which it really isn't big in the grand scheme of things, but for this little pond, I just wasn't going to catch any small fish on it. I tried a little square billed crank off camera. I tried a buzzbait. Didn't really get anything on that. Didn't even have a bite on that. I got two bites maybe on this, but I can't wait to get out back to some bigger bodies of water with some bigger bass in it. That's kind of where I feel at home, not these little neighborhood ponds, although they're kind of cool just for, you know, little day trips, little short fishing trips. And our prediction about the pre-storm bite was correct. We did get a whole bunch of little panfish. So I think there's something to that theory. And a couple little bass, actually. I forgot about that. But that's going to be all for today. We'll see you next time.